Hello and welcome back to the XRP Insider News, where we bring you the most up-to-date and exciting XRP news. We're distributing 10,000 XRP. To be eligible, all you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment XRP is king who watched the video till the finish. The winners will be chosen next month and announced on the channel's community page. Due to a lack of demand, Coinbase decided to discontinue service, which marked a watershed moment in the Bitcoin sector. The FTX disaster is to blame for every unfavorable development in space during the last few weeks. The lack of support for the asset by Coinbase wallets, on the other hand, poses a greater threat to the price of XRP than the collapse of the cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase said on November 29 that it would no longer support Ripple XRP, Bitcoin Cash Ethereum, Classic, etc., and Stellar XLM and its wallet. Coinbase is followed by the behavior of the world's second-largest Bitcoin exchange. Because of the low utilization of these resources, they will be phased out commencing in January 2023. The platform will no longer support the previously stated tokens. The exchange, on the other hand, guarantees that no assets will be lost and that users will be able to recover them through their recovery mechanisms. The asset that most surprises among those whose support is expected to fall are Ripple, which appears to have no market, even though it was mentioned in the news. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), who Ripple also blamed for the downfall of FTX Ripples, is involved in a legal dispute involving cryptocurrency. General Counsel Stewart has already tweeted that the SEC is in charge of filing Block 5's Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and the XRP price may be sitting at 39.59 cents following a 5.2% gain in the last 2 days. The crypto lending company was fined $100 million earlier this year for failing to register its retail crypto lending product. Except for XRP, the cryptocurrency has nearly recovered to a critical support level. To accomplish the same, it will need to enhance buyer activity, which will drive the asset price toward the immediate resistance for the XRP price, which is 40.92 cents. According to the Relative Strength Index, as long as it can cross the barrier at 42.8 cents, RSI is required to transform 40.92 cents into support. The XRP price will rise to 43.59 cents as a result of this. Regardless of the news revealed on November 29, XRP is still upbeat. The cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase will no longer provide wallet support services to the 7th-ranked digital asset by capital marketization. Furthermore, the Ripple native token is up about 7%. Based on the weekly chart, the turnaround comes after a brief period when XRP was under significant selling pressure as it appeared that investors were taking profits. Because of this pattern, XRP lost more than $800 million in 1 day's worth of wealth. However, if fears of a crypto market contagion as a result of FTX's failure take root, the price of XRP may fall. As a result, the alternative currency will be tested near the 37.69 cent support level. If this level is breached, the price of XRP would fall to 34.97 cents, a critical support level. A closure to a daily candle below this level would debunk the bullish case, sending the alternative coin down to 33.1 cents and causing a 16% drop. It is critical to emphasize that this week's decision will not result in the loss of assets removed from Coinbase wallets. The company stated in a statement that any unsupported assets still kept by Coinbase after the January deadline would be associated with each user's address and would be visible or transferable by using the restore command to retrieve the owner's Coinbase wallet after January 2023. You will need to enter your recovery phrase to access another non-custodial wallet service that supports these networks, as indicated by Coinbase currency holdings are currently completely protected. According to Reeve Collins, co-founder of Tether, the world's first and largest stablecoin, and Smart Media Technologies, a blockchain and Web3 solutions company. Even though January Collins stated that delisted assets are secure, storing them in your Coinbase wallet may not be the best idea. It's the same as putting money in a safe. He asserted that to trade or sell them, they must be removed from Coinbase. The good news is that all three coins are still widely utilized in the cryptocurrency community, and there are numerous other options for long-term use and storage, such as transferring them to the Coinbase exchange itself. Because the SEC does not regulate the cryptocurrency business, cryptocurrency exchange giant Coinbase has filed an amicus brief in federal court in support of Ripple Labs and its current legal struggle with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Coinbase questioned whether the SEC provided reasonable notice before taking legal action against the sale of any of the industry's digital assets. The company also questioned whether the SEC provided fair notice during the action against Ripple, claiming that the commission failed to provide clear instructions to the companies during the proceedings. A summary decision is especially problematic when numerous unique digital assets are frequently highly realistic. The Coinbase complaint claims that a cryptocurrency exchange joins a blockchain association and pays legal counsel John Deaton to assist Ripple's. The SEC charged Ripple with selling XRP as unregistered, and the company was sued in late 2020. Security has sued Ripple after stating that $1.3 billion in unregistered transactions were conducted. Ripple has rejected this assertion. Another development in the SEC v. Ripple Labs Incorporated case happened last July when Ripple filed a complaint with the SEC regarding its decision to conceal the names of expert witnesses. This method, according to Ripple, was devised to avoid audience criticism from regulators and experts. Because the cryptocurrency platform asserted that the SEC registration requirements for national stock exchanges are now incompatible with asset platform operations, digital Coinbase has chosen to support Ripple in court. Broker-dealers are now only able to join stock exchanges that are registered with the SEC, according to Base Profile. As a result, retail clients can only trade assets directly on exchanges via broker-dealer services, which modify transaction fees and create intermediate risks that can be removed on digital asset trading platforms, again to the customer's benefit. Coinbase Chief Legal Officer, Paul Gridwall, strongly denied that the company had a separate agreement with the SEC regarding unregistered assets because Coinbase does not list securities. The SEC investigated Coinbase practices to enhance its case. Coinbase continues to seek clarity from authorities while asking for assistance from a Ripple in the cryptocurrency exchange's profile. While similar suppliers have not resolutely refused to dodge U.S. regulators' attention, Coinbase observes that while Ripple and others have gotten considerable inspection of the app, others with very identical products or services appear to have received nothing. Coinbase has asked the SEC for clarification on this topic. So far, Gary Gensler has simply stated that Bitcoin is not a security. To safeguard Ripple from the Second War, Coinbase may collaborate with other groups such as the crypto advocacy group Blockchain Association, Cryptocurrency Payments Wallet Spend the Bits Non-Investor Choice Advocacy, Network Profit, and hazardous private equity firm Volatile Capital. According to the president, the bulk of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, are securities. The community has speculated on whether Coinbase will sell XRP again following this surprising turn, as it is more likely that some exchanges will now allow XRP transactions on its platform before the SEC rules in XRP's favor. According to some, a listing is unlikely to protect the interests of the U.S. crypto industry. Coinbase has been very active in the legal system. This has included judicial challenges to the U.S. Treasury Department's Tornado Cash judgment over cryptocurrency enforcement. The SEC is eager to bargain but will not make a concession. Companies that engage in misbehavior, according to Gensler, can meet with the SEC to explore corrective steps. Neither the SEC nor XRP declared victory. In many ways, the legal dispute between the two corporations is comparable to the Block 1 case. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section and be sure to subscribe to receive updates.